If you have been wondering how most of the celebrities and a lot of skincare influencers get that glowy, dewy skin that is so healthy, so smooth, so glossy and glassy, then you definitely want to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Korean skincare at home. I'm going to show you how to make those luxury essence that they sell and all of that to get a glowing skin. But the catch for this is it also has whitening properties in it, so you definitely want to watch this video till the end. Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. My name is Sele Kaliu and I am a Nigerian based beauty influencer. And if you like to learn about skincare and how to get glowy, beautiful, healthy skin, then you want to definitely join the family and stay on this channel. Now, if you are a returning subscriber, hey best friend, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful essence. This product is the rave of the town. A lot of people are talking about it. Not this particular product, but they are talking about the ingredients that are in this product that will give you a glass glowing skin like the Koreans have, and you're going to have that healthy glow from within. What makes this product even more amazing is the fact that it has whitening agents in it. So it's not only going to give you a glowy glass skin, but it's also going to help with hyperpigmentations, dark pimple spots, and also help to brighten and lighten up your skin. And you can get the lighter skin up to three shades lighter in less than 2 weeks. So if this is something that you like to see, please keep on watching. Now I'm going to be showing you these ingredients and also show you how you can make this product at home. Okay, now before you start, you want to make sure that everything that you're using for this production is squeaky clean, very clean. Now I have bleached and sanitized every product, bleached everything that I used alcohol to make sure that I remove every form of bad bacteria. Okay, because we're going to be talking about bacteria and probiotics. Okay, so you want to wash your rice at least 2 to 3 times and then use warm water that you have boiled and has come back to room temperature. Pour it into a mason jar like I have, like this, and then pour your rice in it. You're going to keep that to ferment for at least 3-4 days depending on how you want it. You can keep it for even just 2 days. I left mine for about a week, but if you leave it longer, it will have a stronger smell. But if you leave it for just 72 hours, you will get a better smelling product. Okay, so you want to go ahead and sieve your rice water. The jar that you use to ferment your rice must be very airtight so that you don't introduce bad bacteria into your product. Okay, watch this video to the end because I'm going to talk more about this particular bacteria and why we're using it here in the end of the video, or towards the end of the video, or within the video. So just keep watching. Now I'm going to add water to this to make up my water phase, and I'm going to go ahead and put that aside while I measure out my other ingredients. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing is xanthan gum. This is going to act as a stabilizer for our milky serum, and it is also going to help to add thickness to the product.
There's always a choice. Can you help me? Can you help me? There's always a choice.
Now we're going to add glycerin. Glycerin is going to help to hydrate our xanthan gum so it's easy to incorporate into our water phase. Now what I'm going to be doing here is called a slurry. I know that you guys already know this by now. Now we're going to mix that in thoroughly to make sure that there are no clumps, so that when we add it to our water, it easily hydrates and gels up the water. Go ahead and add that into your water phase and mix thoroughly. Now you want to mix until you see that the water is becoming a bit jelly. It will not give you a very strong gelling effect yet, but it's going to show some gelling effect. Now go ahead and place your beaker on a stove or a double boiler, whichever one you have. This is what I have on hand, and this is what I'm using. Go ahead and stir that very well. Now we're going to add Montanov 202. Now if you have Montanov 68, you can use that. I'm using this as our emulsifier. This is going to create the milky effect that we're looking for. Now you can also go ahead and add BTMS. I love BTMS and how it gives my products very nice feel, so I'm adding that. We also need plant oils, and in this case I'm using jojoba oil and olive squalene for the beautiful story that we're working with for this product. Go ahead and give it a stir. You're going to need to stir this until you get that emulsified look, but if you can't stir for long, you can leave it to dissolve and then use your hand blender to mix everything together. Again, this is a small batch, so I stirred for a while and then I got tired and I just took it off and used my hand blender to, give that a thorough burst. You can also do that. Now you can see that we have a beautiful milky consistency. Mind you, this product is still hot, so it's going to be a bit watery. Now in this case, you can use xanthan gum clear or xanthan gum soft. You can't use carboma because you might lose the viscosity, and you can't use silly gel because again you might lose the viscosity. So for this product, xanthan gum is the best. Next, we're going to be adding our whitening agent, and here I am using our porcelain water. Now you guys have heard me talk about porcelain water a lot. What exactly is porcelain water? It is a whitening agent. It is a bleaching water. What this does is it helps to stop the production of melanin and improves or boosts the whitening effect on your skin. Okay, so I'm going to add this here for the whitening story that we're going with. And then next I am using betaine, and no, this is not cocoa betaine, this is betaine. Is an amino acid which can help to balance your skin's moisture content, and it can also improve the ability to retain hydration on your skin. It is a really great ingredient for hydration, for anti-aging. It is basically a topical face filler, and this product is water soluble, so all you need to do is add your water into this product and it will dissolve completely. Now it is safe to use for every skin type. You can put it in a product for dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, sensitive skin. Everybody can use it. It's a universal ingredient that helps to retain moisture on your skin. It has a very incredible moisture retention ability, which is why it is always used in products that are for anti-aging, under eye creams, sunscreen, and all of that. The next ingredient we're going to be using is yogurt filtrate, and this is one of the ingredients that have been raving the market, that has been giving that smooth effect. Now what this does is it has excellent moisturizing properties, soothing properties. It helps to condition the skin because it has proteins and carbohydrates and vitamins in it that help the skin stay healthy and beautiful. Now the next ingredient we need is retinol acetate. Now what this product does for your skin is it promotes collagen synthesis and can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now additionally, it can help to keep your pores clear and remove oils that can lead to blemishes and all of that. And when you add it to your skincare routine, it helps to give you a beautiful glow and radiance from within. So we're adding it here for those benefits as well. It is a very strong anti-aging ingredient. It does wonders for your skin. So yes, we're adding it here, and then we're going to mix that together thoroughly. sensitive, and then go ahead and give that a thorough stir. Make sure everything is well incorporated. If you want to use your hand mixer, you can go ahead to use your hand mixer, and you will get a beautiful incorporation.
Can you help me? I need more energy. There's always a choice.
Now we're going to store our product in an airtight container. Remember, I keep emphasizing airtight and cleanliness. Make sure that you have cleaned your container thoroughly. Remember, this contains live cultures of probiotics, and you don't want to introduce bad bacteria into this product. Now I'm going to talk about the Korean skincare ingredients that have been raving the market, and they are called probiotics. Now let me try to explain what probiotics are, right? Probiotics are a combination of live beneficial bacteria or yeasts that naturally live in your body, right? Now, I know that bacteria is usually viewed in a negative light as something that makes you sick. However, you have two kinds of bacteria that are constantly in and on your body. Now, you have the good bacteria and you have the bad bacteria. Now, these probiotics are the good bacteria that make up that are in your body and on your body as well. Now, these good bacteria help you in many ways, including fighting off the bad bacteria when there are too many of them, and also help you feel better. Now, a lot of the times when you have contact dermatitis or you have infection, bacterial infection, it just simply means that the bad bacteria are taking over. So sometimes they give you drugs that contain the probiotics that will help to multiply the quantity of probiotics that you have, that's the good bacteria, so that it can be able to fight off the good bacteria. I don't know if this makes sense. Please, if you're getting me, leave a comment in the comment section. I'd like to know that I'm making sense. Now, these probiotics can be found in foods like yogurt, right? You can also find it in rice. Now, these bacteria are called lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, right? And we also have a yeast that is called Saccharomyces. I don't know, I'm always finding it difficult to pronounce this. Saccharomyces boulardii. Now, they can be found in many parts of your body, including your gut, that's your intestines, okay? These microbes live in different parts of our body. We have them in our mouth. That's why some people, when you have bad breath, it's because you have bad bacteria in your mouth. We have them in our gut, in our vagina, like I said earlier, in our urinary tract. We have them on our skin, and we have them in our lungs as well. Now, the main job of probiotics or the good bacteria is to maintain a healthy balance in your body. Now, think of it as keeping your body in neutral, right? When you are sick, bad bacteria enters your body and increases in number. This knocks your body out of balance. Good bacteria works to fight off the bad bacteria and restore the balance within your body, in this case on your skin, making you feel better. So a few weeks ago, I had a bad chemical burn because I bought the skincare ingredients from a vendor who had no clue what she was doing. She sent me, I asked for something else, she sent me something else, and because I was in a hurry, I didn't pay attention. But luckily, I kept feeling like something wasn't right, okay? I knew something was off. So I tested the product on my skin that night. I had already made a large batch and I was ready to pack others. But something just kept telling me, put this on your body, put this on your body. And I did, and within 30 minutes, I got a burn. I will try to insert pictures for you guys to see. It was bad. It was really bad. So I decided to, do a lot of research, dig deep, and I started figuring out a lot of things that were not so clear to me before. Like, knowledge is power, and I keep telling people, do your research. Even if you don't have money to go for trainings and all, Take your time and study, read, do research, find out things. That's the only way that you can stay relevant and stay ahead in this business. So I did all the research, and here I am less than 2 weeks later. Less than 2 weeks, because I just started using this product, say maybe last week. Maybe less than a week, less than 2 weeks, not up to 2 weeks, maybe 8 days, 7 days. And this is what my skin looks like from this to this. So it is a very, very it is very, very important to know your ingredients, and also know your ingredient synergy. Know the ingredients that work best together, that complement each other as well. And that's what skincare formulation is about: the art of finding out ingredients that work best together to give you a beautiful and lasting result. Okay, now there are different types of probiotics, but the main or the most common ones that you see in skincare products or in supplements are the lactobacillus and the bifidobacterium. Now, you can have these products as supplements, or you can take them in foods like yogurt. You can actually ferment your rice water and drink them daily to help with the number of good bacteria that you have in your gut, because this is what lines the walls of your gut to help with digestion, and also help to keep the bad bacteria that you may have eaten from food and all of that from entering your body. Okay, now I wish I can say more, but this is where I think I can talk about. If you have more questions, please leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll be very, very happy to help you with any other questions that you have. And please don't forget, like I said earlier, if you haven't subscribed, please take this time to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if this video was beneficial and you loved the content, because this will help the YouTube algorithm to push my videos and see that a lot of people are liking it. It means it is something that more people would want to see, and they will push my video. And when they push the video, I get more views, and more views equals more educative and more productive content for you guys. Okay, I'm going to make this kind of a series where I will also make cleansers, I'll make serums, like clear serums, I'll make creams, just basically make this like a series around the Korean skincare brand, and also try to recreate some of these very popular Korean skincare brands as well. Now, thank you so much guys for watching. I really do appreciate you. If you would like to see more of these kinds of content, make sure you leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what next you want me to do, and I will see you guys in my next video, where I will talk to you guys about more about this topic. Okay, enjoy. Bye. See you in my next video.